Thank you, Chef, for this wonderful gift. Lily would love it.
Hey, Zac, did I just hear a gift?
Yes, indeed, Lily. Here's a special cake just for you, baked by the chef of this coffee shop. It's your favorite flavor, chocolate.
Oh, wow, that's so nice of him. And this smells delicious. Let's share this cake after we are done with this session.
Thanks, Lily. That is very sweet of you. Now, a very warm welcome back, friends, to this second session on adjectives with the 5 senses. Hope by now you understand these and have practiced them in your conversations.
Here's a quick recap to see how we can connect these 5 senses to our adjectives. For things that we see, we can use adjectives like blue, bright, shiny, or dark. A sentence here would be, look at the shiny red cake. Or, I see white coffee mugs in the coffee shop. Here, you are seeing and telling. Got it?
Nice ones, Lily. Similarly, for smell, we can use words like fresh, flowery, stinky, or smoky. And for taste, the adjectives could be sweet, salty, sour, bitter, or spicy. A sentence here using both senses would be, the cookies smell fresh and taste like sweet blueberries. Another simple one would be, I smell the sweet flowers with my nose and taste the juicy apple with my tongue. Yummy, right? Hey Lily, we should try the fresh creamy donut in this coffee shop. The one with red sprinkles smell flowery.
Hope you all got it? Now for our next sense, which is touch. This could be described with words like hot, cold, sticky, or soft. Few sentences here would be, the pineapple muffin we just ate was very sticky. Or, the coffee just served in this white cup is very hot. Similarly, for hearing, we could use words like loud, quiet, noisy, or buzzing. A few sentences using these would be, this coffee shop plays loud music only in the evening. Another one would be, the kitchen in this coffee shop becomes very noisy during rush hour.
Nice sentences, Lily. They are making me feel really hungry now. All of you continue practicing and give this topic some extra time. Start by making separate sentences for each sense, and then try and combine 2 senses into 1 sentence. Enjoy this activity, and we will be back very soon with more words and more ways for you all to use them. Bye and have a good day.